How to delete disk partition in Windows 11. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete disk partition on Windows. So let's just see, in my PC there are three partition. As you can see, one is 150 GB, 163 GB and 163 GB another. So if we want to delete this partition and like a new volume E, we just have to simply search on the Windows bar, uh, typing partition, and as you can see the option called create and format hard disk partitions is here. You just have to simply click on here and let's expand it, and you can see all the three partitions here. The Windows 11C, new volume D, new volume E, these three are the partition of my PC. So if we want to delete a partition, this one, the E partition, you just have to right click on here and just simply click on delete volume, and just give the permission to delete it, and that's it. That's how you can delete a disk partition on Windows 11. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.